While the Caribbean may be known as a sun-soaked paradise, it has also given rise to many incredible individuals who have shaped its history and brought rays of hope to its people. These heroes, through their unwavering courage, visionary leadership, and indomitable spirit, have contributed positively to the tapestry of the Caribbean, leaving an indelible mark that continues to inspire generations. As we embark on a journey through the annals of Caribbean history, we are greeted by a cast of remarkable figures, each with a unique story of triumph and resilience. From the revolutionary Toussaint Louverture, who led Haiti to independence, to the melodious rhythms of Bob Marley, whose music transcended the borders and barriers, these heroes have shown us the boundless possibilities that arise from dedication and determination. So in today's episode, in no particular order of importance of one over the other, we will take a look at some of the most notable of these and highlight 10 heroes of the Caribbean. We start our list off at number 10 with Toussaint Louverture, Haiti's hero of freedom. We start off our list in the heart of the Caribbean and with a hero who emerged from the darkness of slavery to ignite the flames of liberty. Toussaint Louverture, born in bondage in 1743 in what is now Haiti, would become a symbol of unwavering courage and determination. Toussaint's journey from a plantation to a revolutionary leader was a remarkable odyssey. He educated himself, mastering warfare and the Enlightenment's ideals of liberty and equality. These principles would guide his path towards freedom. As the Haitian Revolution roared to life, Toussaint proved himself a military genius and charismatic leader. His strategic brilliance on the battlefield won the respect of his fellow enslaved and even the French powers. His leadership of the Haitian Revolution led to Haiti becoming the first independent black country in the history of the world. Yet Toussaint's greatness extended beyond the battlefield. He advocated for unity and drafted a groundbreaking constitution that abolished slavery and championed equal rights for all. At number 9, we go a little back in time, but her story, standing the test of time, is an even stronger testament to her impact. But who do we mean? Nanny of the Maroons, Jamaica's fearless freedom fighter, who has become a legacy that embodies the indomitable spirit of freedom. Nanny was a leader among the Maroons, escaped African slaves who established their own communities in Jamaica. Her leadership skills, military prowess, and spiritual wisdom made her a revered figure. Fearless in the face of adversity, Nanny led her people in battles against British forces, employing guerrilla tactics, and confounded her adversaries. Her strategic brilliance earned her the nickname Queen Nanny. Beyond her military feats, Nanny championed unity and freedom. In 1739, she signed a treaty with the British, securing autonomy and freedom for her people. For this, her legacy endures as a powerful symbol of resistance, freedom, and the unyielding spirit of Jamaica. If you're getting value from this video and want to dive deeper into the rich tapestry of the Caribbean, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening episodes. Your support helps us continue to bring these incredible stories to light. Highlighting another revolutionary hero, we swing down to the gem of the Caribbean island of Barbados for a man who remains revered in the country. Barbados's visionary leader, Errol Walton Barrow. Errol Barrow, who was born in 1920, is celebrated as a pivotal figure in the island nation's history. His life's mission was to lead Barbados to independence and prosperity. After studying law in England, Barrow returned to Barbados in 1951 and quickly rose in politics. In 1966, under his leadership, Barbados achieved independence from the British colonial rule, with Barrow becoming its first Prime Minister and one of the oldest independent countries in the Caribbean. This marked a turning point not only for Barbados, but for the entire Caribbean. But beyond independence, Barrow's vision was clear as he enacted several policies focused on education, healthcare, and economic development, propelling Barbados into a new era of prosperity. He was also a staunch advocate for Caribbean unity, playing a pivotal role in the West Indies Federation and the formation of CARICOM, which today is one of the core pillars of Caribbean politics and integration. Whenever Barbados celebrates its independence, Errol Barrow remains a symbol of accomplishment and a testament to the dreams of a people. Staying with the visionary leaders, we must highlight one of the most praised visionaries from the largest Spanish-speaking country in the Caribbean, Cuba's visionary liberator, José Marti, who is celebrated not only as a visionary poet, but also as a freedom fighter with an unwavering dedication to Cuba's independence from Spanish colonial rule. From youth, Marti displayed exceptional literary talent, and a deep passion for justice emerged in his writing and speeches, not only for Cuba, but for all of Latin America. Considered one of the great turn-of-the-century Latin American intellectuals, his works included a series of poems, essays, letters, lectures, a novel, and a children's magazine. In 1892, he founded the Cuban Revolutionary Party in New York, tirelessly working to garner support for Cuba's cause. Marti's efforts culminated in the Cuban War of Independence in 1895, although he died in military action during the Battle of Dos Rios in 1895. His legacy, however, inspired Cuban revolutionaries to persevere until they achieved victory. Hailing from St. Lucia, we have yet another military hero and visionary, a Caribbean poetry's shining star, Derek Walcott, who is one of the most renowned literary luminaries who has captivated the hearts of many worldwide. Born in St. Lucia, his life and work celebrated the beauty of the region and transcended its borders. From a young age, Walcott's talent for storytelling and poetry was evident. He painted vivid pictures of the Caribbean's colors, rhythms, and cultures through his verses. Arguably, his most notable work is Homeros, a Caribbean re-imaging of Homer's epics which catapulted him to international acclaim. Soon after, poems like The Sea at Dauphin and Dream on Monkey Mountain, which explored identity, colonization, and the Caribbean's beauty. His spectacular work led him to be awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1992, one of the highest literal honors and a testament to his profound literary contributions. Walcott's life was dedicated to the celebration of our shared humanity, and his work continues to inspire writers and readers, inviting us to explore the Caribbean's rich tapestry. Pivoting slightly but remaining along the lines of enlightenment and knowledge, we highlight also an outstanding man in his field, economist and professor Sir Arthur Lewis. Born in St. Lucia, Sir Arthur Lewis dedicated his life to reshaping economic development, not only for his homeland, but for developing nations worldwide. After pursuing his education in England, he embarked on a journey that would see him ascend to the pinnacle of economic academia. His groundbreaking research and economic development, particularly in the context of developing nations, catapulted him to international acclaim as the author of the Lewis Model of Economic Development. For his work, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Economic Sciences, and his contributions to the understanding of how economies in developing countries could grow and prosper became revolutionary. Despite his international acclaim, Lewis remained deeply connected to the Caribbean. Outside academics and on the world stage, he advocated for the economic growth of small island nations, offering insights to continue to shape policies. Next is the founder of a nation and the leader of a people, Muñoz Marín, a hero who led the people of Puerto Rico to freedom and prosperity, and whose life is deeply woven within the island's history. With a passion for journalism and advocacy, he became a prominent figure in the Puerto Rican politics, tirelessly championing self-governance. In 1948, he was the first democratically elected governor of Puerto Rico, spearheading an administration that engineered profound economic, political, and social reforms, accomplishments that were internationally lauded by many politicians, statesmen, political scientists, and economists of that period. One of his lasting legacies was crafting the Commonwealth status balancing cultural identity with economic progress. This unique relationship with the United States allowed Puerto Rico to maintain its character while enjoying American citizenship, the best of both worlds. A powerful writer and poet, Muñoz Marin's words carried power and the hope of a people, speaking to issues and leading the development of the beauty that is Puerto Rico today. Sir Grantley Adams, unifying the Caribbean. Next is another man from the island of Barbados, who had a profound impact on the entire Caribbean region. We must pay tribute to Sir Grantley Adams, the visionary leader and politician. Adams began his political career by co-founding the Barbados Labour Party, advocating for the rights of the working class and achieving significant reforms in labour and education. But the prosperity of just one nation did not stop Sir Adams. He had a grander vision for uniting the Caribbean. He played a pivotal role in establishing the West Indies Federation, the precursor to the independence movements which swept through the region in the 1960s. Serving as its only Prime Minister, Sir Grantley Adams led various islands in the Caribbean that were part of the British Empire, including Trinidad and Tobago, Barbados, Jamaica, and several of those in the Leeward and Windward Islands. Though it eventually failed, this was the movement that led to the independence of former British colonies in the Caribbean, and it was his vision for an independent yet united people that CARICOM was able to form. Today, Sir Grantley Adams is remembered as a symbol of Caribbean unity and progress. His vision continues to inspire a brighter future for the entire region. Next on our list, we highlight a global hero, one whose influence and impact goes beyond just that of his home country, and that is none other than Marcus Mosiah Garvey of Jamaica, the champion of the Black empowerment movement. Garvey's life mission was clear: to uplift and empower Black people globally. Back in 1914, Garvey founded the Universal Negro Improvement Association in Jamaica, dedicated to uniting Black people worldwide. His message was simple, yet powerful. Up, you mighty race. You can accomplish what you will. Garvey's influence grew rapidly when he brought the UNIA to Harlem in 1916. With his majestic oratory and unwavering belief in Black potential, he gained a massive following. This led to one of Garvey's most significant achievements in the Back to Africa movement. He envisioned a return to the African homeland as the path to true Black empowerment. To facilitate this dream, he launched the Black Star Line, symbolizing self-determination. Despite opposition, including imprisonment and deportation, Garvey's spirit remained unbroken. Even after his passing in 1940, Marcus Garvey's message of unity, self-reliance, and self-pride endures, serving as a powerful reminder that the dream of a brighter future can become a reality through courage, determination, and belief in the potential of the human spirit. Bob Marley, the musical legend. And finally, number one on our list, we pay tribute to the legend himself, on par with names like Michael Jackson and Elvis Presley. This Jamaican musician is considered to have had one of the biggest impacts on music globally and is the face of an entire genre. Yes, you guessed it, Robert Nesta Marley. Hailing from 9 Mile, Jamaica, Marley is synonymous with hope, love, and reggae. From modest beginnings, Marley's life was marked by an unwavering connection to music and a fervent commitment to social change. With the Wailers in the 1960s and 70s, he crafted the reggae sound that became a global anthem of peace and justice. Marley's timeless songs like No Woman No Cry, One Love, and Redemption Song soon emerged and became sensations that transcended borders, spreading messages of unity and social justice. His music resonated with people from all walks of life, making him a voice for the oppressed worldwide. Beyond music, Marley's One Love Peace Concert in 1978 united Jamaica's rival political leaders, Michael Manley and Edward Seager, exemplifying his role as a symbol of solidarity as a champion of Rastafarianism. He was an advocate of Black empowerment, cannabis, and the African identity. Bob Marley, the musical icon of One Love, is indelibly a hero of his generation and an inspiration to many. Check out this video on 10 of the most influential Caribbean celebrities alive today. Caribbean heroes, with their unwavering courage and visionary leadership, have left an indelible imprint on the region's past. Their impact transcends generations as they fought for freedom and economic prosperity and have been champions of peace and unity. These heroes have shaped the Caribbean's history, culture, and spirit, inspiring countless individuals and movements. Their legacy serves as a powerful reminder of the enduring strength and resilience of the Caribbean people, and their contributions continue to light the path toward a brighter future. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Caribbean's rich history. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Share this video with friends and family to spread the knowledge, and make sure to turn on the notifications so you never miss an episode. Until next time, this is J-irie Caribbean.